Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Hadian baka khasi barka Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council kila Phah ya kajing penbai thamai ya ka Constitution of District Council 2024 ban penrenti ya kajing don jong ki Shnong bapher ha ki MDC constituency katana District Council Affairs jong ka sarkar jala kala penkhre menta ban Phah shaulat kejala na ka benta ban yo jing manjur usembut menteri rangba kejala uba preston tensong uba pet ya katana District Council Affairs ulai thu batang shiyo jing manjur na ulat ka sarkar ka zapen mino ya ka jingpen bana paiba.
Right now we have received both the district council, Jhadc and Khadc, the bill that they have already passed for that amendment of this thing, the delimitation. So now we are processing it to send it to the governor. Once the governor approve it, then we will notify.